All right, it is best reviews time. Thanksgiving, I can't believe Thanksgiving is here.
I know, already.
It's unbelievable.
I'm giving thanks that it's already here.
I'm very glad you're here. That's one thing. Andrea Boudewijn, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Look, you do a lot in the baking world.
Yes.
You're also doing a little bit of a tablescape for us.
I am.
Which I love. I need those tips for Thanksgiving.
Good. Well, I'm here to help you just kind of figure out how to set your table appropriately for Thanksgiving. First thing you want to do is think about the platters and the bowls you're going to use. We have loads of them on bestreviews.com. We're here to make it easy for you, so we've already sussed out the best ones.
I love it.
Figure out what you need for your gravy, your cranberry sauce. If you love that cranberry shaped like the can, this is a great dish for it.
I do.
That's my favorite too.
You saw me coming. All right, but I know a lot of times we have a lot of bowls and plates. How do I decorate with that all in mind?
Well, at this table, my mother-in-law's already come in and put a lot of decoration on it. It's not going to host dinner
She was
plates.
here earlier
She
decorating.
was here earlier. We don't want a lot of plates and stuff on here. There's a lot of color and then a lot of neutral. I'm more neutral. I'm going to start taking some of this color off to make room for the platters. Yes.
Get it out of here.
Will you help me sweep it off?
Well, let's go. We'll move it. And so we're decorating kind of around your bowls, around your plates.
Yes. So first thing I'm doing is setting out, okay, I know that I'm going to have a cake on this platter. I know I'm going to have cranberry sauce on this platter. I know I'm going to have sliced turkey here. I'm laying asparagus here. I'm laying everything out. Here are my dinner plates. There's 3 people coming to this Thanksgiving. Let's pretend those leaves aren't there. Okay, now we've got some space. And this little thing is here in the middle. This is nice. It's all neutral. Let's pretend the color's not here. It's all neutral.
I love it.
Right? No candles for anybody to burn their sleeves on.
Right.
I like candles, but you might want to avoid them, especially if you have dried things in the middle. It can make Thanksgiving a little too exciting.
Fair enough.
But plan ahead.
One thing I see is your phone. I know you are trying to create a phoneless Thanksgiving.
This is not a Thanksgiving product.
Not to be on there. All right, so we're ordering half of our dinner.
Let's make your Thanksgiving easier. This way you can have a little wine. You don't have to stress out about the turkey getting dry, about getting 8 dishes on the table at the same time, maybe 14, depending on how many people you're having.
That's true.
Right?
That's true.
So just make the main things. Do your turkey, do mom's stuffing, because everybody gets up in arms if you don't do mom's stuffing, right? The green bean or the asparagus casserole. And then order the rest.
Sit back
from
with a
your
little wine.
favorite restaurant and drink and wait for the orders to arrive.
All right, so you mentioned the turkey. I want to bring you this way because you are going to give me your best tip, your best reviews tip on how to make a turkey. Let's go.
Well, the best way to make a turkey for me is brining it. I love soaking it in the water. I do it for 24 hours. These are all the ingredients I like to put in there. 2 heads of garlic, a bunch of lemons. There's tons of great recipes online. We have a recipe on bestreviews.com. Check it out.
And I'm just going straight in with this stuff. This is our food-safe brining
bucket. That is our
bucket.
Food-safe brining
Turkey in there.
Turkey in there. Throw all the stuff in. You want to cut up your garlic, toss it in. Cut up your lemons, throw them in.
Just that easy?
Go for it. Just that easy.
I got rosemary. Rosemary. I got some thyme, maybe. I got a little
flat leaf
parsley. It's good. It's tasty. Some spices.
Those are cloves and some black peppercorns.
I just dumped the pepper all over.
You're making a mess.
Yep.
And lots and lots and lots of salt in there. Look up your recipes online. Look on Best Reviews. A little apple cider never hurt anyone.
Let's go.
So let's say you've got your turkey in here with your whole brining thing. Cover it all with ice water. Put some apple cider in there if you want a little extra. A little zhuzh. Put the lid on, put it in the fridge. Let's keep it food safe.
Finish with salt. Any way we find more information, what do we do? Where do we go?
Bestreviews.com. We're going to make your shopping decisions easier. So you can find your buckets and everything else there.
And your turkey better.
And your, right.